Okay, so fried green tomatoes. What? Oh shoot! No! I gotta get a different one. That one's finished now. Cut. Welcome to Gussied Up. Today we're gonna tackle air-fried green tomatoes. It starts with a green tomato just like usual, but instead of frying them in a pan, we're actually using our air fryer so they get crispy and delicious, tender on the inside, but not as much fat. So they're a little bit better for you, which is great. Cut them all about half an inch, third of an inch thick, and then lay them out. We're gonna cook these in a couple of rounds. Salt your green tomatoes just to pull out a little bit of the moisture so they stay tender and your breading stays crisp on the outside. So while the salt hangs out on those green tomatoes, let's make our dredge. It's a 3-step. First step, flour. That's 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of fine cornmeal, and a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic. I'm also gonna add in just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, whisk it all together, ha, ha, ha. And now we're gonna go in with our wet ingredients. We have 2/3 cup of sour cream, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of liquid smoke. That's my secret ingredient. Okay. That's gonna be a very, very thick liquid base. It's gonna coat the outside of the green tomatoes incredibly well. So, now y'all, this is gonna go fast, so you better watch. Don't blink, or else you're gonna miss it. Give it a little flip in the flour, into our wet, and then we go into our dry. Give it a little brush, and then into your air fryer basket. And then I'm just gonna spray these with a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna bake them at 450 degrees until they're golden brown, flipping a couple of times and spraying again for about 20 to 25 minutes. Look at these little cuties. Hello. These are like the perfect little snack. So I've made a dill pickle dipping sauce. My brother said it was just tartar sauce, but I don't agree. You all can check out the full recipes in the video detail below and tell me what you think. Is this just tartar sauce or is it a dill pickle dipping sauce? Huh? Let me know. Blow on it because it will burn your mouth off. And then let's taste. Because we salted the tomatoes and it pulled out some of the moisture, you have a crust that stays on the tomatoes very easily. It's tangy on the inside. The exterior is crunchy because of the cornmeal and the breadcrumbs, but also because of our air fryer. It has a nice golden brown crunch to it, and then the inside is tender and tangy. I absolutely love this updated version. It's a little bit lighter, but you still get all the crunch and all the addictiveness of traditional fried green tomatoes. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Gussied Up. I'll see y'all next time.